In today's video, I'm going to teach you Notion Forms how to build a habit tracker, step by step. We'll start by setting up a clean foundation, open Notion, and create a new page, then choose a table as either a full page or inline, depending on where you want it to live. Give it a clear name like Habit Tracker so it's easy to find later. Next, we'll add the key properties that power your tracker. Create a text property for habit name so you can label exactly what you're tracking. Add a date property to log when you did it. Use a checkbox for completed, which makes it quick to mark things done. Add a notes property as text if you want to capture quick reflections. If you like more context, include mood or difficulty as a select or a number to rate how the habit felt. If you want a friendly status indicator, add a formula property and name it status. Use a simple formula like if prop, completed, done, not done. This gives you an at-a-glance view of whether today's entry is complete without any extra clicks. Now let's make input effortless with a form. Click the three dots in the top right of the database, choose Forms, and create a new form. Name it Daily Habit Check-in so it's clear what it's for. Add the fields habit name, date, completed, and notes. Rearrange them so habit name and date are at the top, and mark required fields if you want consistency. To speed things up, set default values, make the date default to today so you don't have to change it each time, and leave completed unchecked so you can tick it when you finish the habit. Hide any advanced fields to keep the form simple and focused. When your form looks good, click Share Form, copy the link, and save it where you'll actually use it. Bookmark it in your browser or add it to your phone's home screen for one-tap access. Inside the database, create helpful views to stay organized. Add a Today view filtered to Date is Today. Create a This Week view filtered to Date is This Week. Add a Completed Habits view with Completed checked, and a Missed Habits view with Completed unchecked. For visual tracking, add a calendar view to see entries by date. If your workspace supports charts, add one to visualize your completion rate. Group entries by habit name to quickly gauge consistency over time. Finally, use it daily. Open the form each day, submit your check-in in seconds, and review your progress weekly inside the database to see trends and make adjustments. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.